Tay na maligya kang cream silk dye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will have my apartment tour. And thank you so much for supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I would like to give a shout out to my friend Jonas Quiroga. Thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoy this. This is the bell wherein the delivery man, or if anyone wants to talk to me, then they can just ring this and I will know that somebody needs me outside. And this one is my doorknob. Yep. So it's double lock. And this one is where the mail goes. So example, there are advertisements or letters from the city or my company. They will just put it here. It goes inside. Yes, so let's now open. So this one here is my shoe place, wherein I can only limit my outside footwear here. So let's change to inside footwear. We're in here near my door. It's my washing machine, so we cannot really place it anywhere else because of the pipeline. I believe that's pipeline for the water. And here we have plug, and ta-da! Here's my cooking stuff. This is my rice cooker. I really like rice cooker here because it has time, and you know, I would love it because I don't need to check and on my phone what time is it. Here it is. And here my induction heater, and below is the storage, so that's where I put my garbage and other stuffs like my soap, my rice, it's there. And here the plates that I use. And here is the cooking sink, chatting. And we have lights here, and we have the sink. Here we can choose what we want, like hot water or cold water. It's up to you. Okay. And here is another storage up here. These are things that I brought from the Philippines. I haven't consumed them yet, but I will. And the other one is, oh, there's nothing in it. Sorry. And here is the CR. This is the door. You can fold it. Then shower. We have shower. And then my bathtub. So we're gonna turn it off. Okay, let's go here. So whenever someone rings the bell outside, I'll just have to check who is that person when I'm not expecting somebody to deliver something and I'm suspicious. Then I could answer it. Mushy mushy. Like that. Is a switch for my bedroom. Well, we have to check first. The Mitsubishi Daihatsu is the one that makes our water hot. Yes, so without that, I'll be freezing. And here are my panuhot effect, my go-to things. And here is my refrigerator. And beside it are my stuffs from work. And these is a table. And this is my chair. Yeah. Yes. And here is my lock closet. So that's my bedroom. So that's futon. Here is the aircon. This is my view